So my menstrual has finished flowering, and when it was in flower, it was a blue, really pretty shade, and the insect loves it as well. Even though it's very, very spiky, you can collect seeds of it, and I'm just going to show you here one. You can also use gloves because they are a little bit, but you can actually just pull them off here, just shake them. See if I can get it here. But they are sitting down here. There we go. So a bunch of new ones are coming here, and what I do, I collect all these ones and add them in my coffee filter with the name on, and then they really like to have changing temperature, so both warm and cooler temperatures. So what I do, I'll grow them in our greenhouse over winter, and I'm going to show you right now how we do it.
This, we're using regular potting soil because it's the cheapest. We did add water beforehand. That'll help our seeds not get lost and tossed around in the tray.
Oh, and if you want to see a great video on how to winter sow, click the link here.
Good job, Lars.
So I'm sowing my menstrual over here. It's gonna be a little bit spiky, so you might need to wear gloves. And there we go. And just left to do, just add a handful of soil on top. A little bit more, just so they cover it here a little bit. And then I'll just add a little name here, a little tag, and I'll place it in the greenhouse on a shelf out of the direct sunlight. And they will stay here until it gets warmer. Nature will do the rest, and then I'll just keep an eye on it every 2 weeks, maybe give a little spray with my sprayer here in case the surface dries out.
Now it's time to place these in the glass house. They're going to need sunlight, and they're going to need to be watered once every 2 weeks with a little sprayer. Just keep an eye on them. Once these seedlings start to sprout, they'll be ready to plant out directly in the garden come springtime.
So it's been 3 months and they have sprouted in the tray, and now repotted until it's a little bit bigger and have roots coming from the bottom. Then I'll plant it out in the garden. If you don't have the time or the space, you could also plant them directly out in the garden from the tray.